the Science and Technology Directorate presents Month in a Minute, a quick roundup highlighting some recent S&T activities. S&T began 2026 with new leadership at the helm. Pedro Allende was confirmed as Undersecretary for Science and Technology and began his tenure with S&T in January. He brings extensive leadership experience in the private and public sectors that is perfectly suited to guide the research, development, and testing initiatives for the department. Unmanned aircraft systems, or drones, are transforming industries nationwide, but they are also increasingly exploited by malicious actors. To stay ahead of potential threats, DHS created a new office dedicated to rapidly procuring and deploying drone and counter-drone technologies. The Program Executive Office for Unmanned Aircraft Systems and Counter-Unmanned Aircraft Systems will oversee strategic investments in drone and counter-drone technologies. Scanning vehicles crossing the border accurately and at speed has long been a goal for U.S. Customs and Border Protection, and delivering the technology solutions DHS needs is at the core of our mission. S&T's Air, Land, and Ports of Entry program has developed low-energy portals for use at border crossings, allowing vehicles to be scanned safely and efficiently without requiring occupants to step out of their cars. See you again next month. Until then, check out more in-depth S&T news at scitech.dhs.gov and at DHS SciTech on social media.